What's up, everyone? If you're looking for the best drones of 2026, whether you're a total beginner, a casual flyer, or someone who wants smooth 4K aerial shots, you're in the right place. Today, I've picked the top 5 best drones on Amazon 2026, covering budget-friendly drones, GPS drones, lightweight under 249-gram drones, and options perfect for beginners and adults. Check out the links in the description for the latest prices and deals. Let's jump straight into the list. Number 1. TODAMU Camera Drone, Best Budget Drone for Beginners. The TODAMU camera drone is designed especially for beginners who want an easy, fun flying experience without spending too much money. It comes with brushless motors, obstacle avoidance, and a foldable mini design, making it great for first-time drone users. This drone is all about simplicity. Features like one-key takeoff and landing, stable hovering, and gesture selfie mode make flying stress-free. The obstacle avoidance system helps reduce crashes, while the dual batteries give you longer playtime. Pros: beginner-friendly controls, obstacle avoidance for safer flying, foldable design with carrying case, dual batteries included, great gift option for beginners. Cons: camera quality is basic, no GPS features, limited flight range. If you're just starting out and want a fun, affordable camera drone, the TODAMU is a solid entry-level choice. Number 2. GPS drone with EIS camera and Lex screen. This GPS drone with EIS camera comes with a 4.5-inch Lex screen built directly into the controller, so you don't need a smartphone. It also features Follow Me, Track and Orbit modes, and Auto Return. The built-in screen is a big win, especially for beginners who don't want to deal with phone connections. GPS stability, smooth EIS video, and intelligent flight modes make it easy to capture cinematic shots. Pros: built-in Lex screen on controller, GPS auto return and Follow Me mode, smooth EIS video stabilization, lightweight under 249 grams, beginner-friendly flight modes. Cons: camera is not true professional grade. Screen brightness could be better outdoors. This drone is perfect if you want a simple, phone-free flying experience with smart GPS features. Number 3. Holystone HS710, Best Value GPS Drone with 4K Camera. The Holystone HS710 is a well-known GPS drone featuring a 4K camera, 5G FPV transmission, and brushless motors. It's designed for beginners but offers features that feel more premium. Thanks to optical flow positioning and GPS stability, this drone flies smoothly and confidently. The 5G FPV transmission provides low-latency video, making it great for real-time flying and recording. Pros: 4K camera with 5G FPV, GPS and optical flow positioning, auto return home feature, foldable and travel-friendly, brushless motors for durability. Cons: app setup may take time, slightly heavier than mini drones. If you want strong features at a reasonable price, the HS710 is one of the best value drones on Amazon in 2026. Number 4. GPS drone with 4K EIS and screen controller. This drone comes with a 4K EIS camera, 4.5-inch HD screen controller, and 2 batteries offering up to 45 minutes of flight time. It's lightweight, foldable, and safe for kids and beginners. The long battery life is a standout feature. Intelligent modes like Circle Fly and Follow Me make it easy to capture creative shots, while GPS auto return keeps flights safe. Pros: long 45-minute total flight time, built-in HD screen controller, GPS auto return and smart flight modes, lightweight under 249 grams, great for beginners and kids. Cons: camera stabilization is basic. Plastic build feels less premium. This is a great family-friendly GPS drone with long flight time and easy controls. Number 5. Potensic Atom SE, Best Overall Drone for Beginners in 2026. The Potensic ATOM SE is a lightweight GPS drone with a 4K EIS camera, up to 62 minutes of flight time, and 4K FPV transmission, all under 249 grams. This drone offers impressive performance for its size. It's fast, stable, and packed with smart safety features like auto return home, GPS positioning, and wind resistance. Perfect for beginners who want premium features. Pros: up to 62 minutes of flight time, 4K long-range transmission, 4K EIS camera, lightweight and travel-friendly, excellent GPS stability. Cons: no obstacle avoidance, camera struggles in low light. If you want the best balance of performance, flight time, and portability, the Potensic ATOM SE is our top pick for 2026. So that wraps up our list of the top 5 best drones of 2026. Hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and ring the notification bell for more awesome tech reviews. Check the description for today's best deals and comment below which drone you'd pick. See you in the next video. Happy flying!